Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a kid's profile on Netflix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a kid's profile on Netflix, it is pretty much very easy. All you gotta do is simply go to manage profile section on your TV, mobile app or browser, and then you can simply select add profile. After this, you can name that particular profile, and once you have named it, you can simply turn on the toggle to the right hand side in the kids profile section. Once this is done, you can save the option, and this way you can create a kids profile on Netflix. And if you wish to simply edit it or do anything in it, you can simply tap on the pencil like icon, which is the edit icon, and you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you can put child locks and like languages and adjust parental controls according to your wish. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.